to take full advantage of the autumn sun, I'm back at finishing the gunnels. In previous episodes you saw me remove the rust and apply epoxy filler when needed. Now it's time to sand that epoxy filler down and apply a protective layer of paint. Yeah, and so we're back in the master cabin again. Here I'm treating the reclaimed steel sections with a layer of rust converter. While still considering how and when I need to get the boat out of the water, I'm going over all possible options and weighing at what my budget can handle. But I won't sit idle, so all the work I'm doing at the boat right now is not wasted. I keep scraping and sanding the inside of the hull. I just need to make sure that I stay above the waterline, right? Because, you never know in fact. But wait a minute, where is that waterline exactly? Not quite sure. There you have it. I now punched 2 holes in my boat's hull. That was quite a shock. But we can't let it get us down. Now at least I know exactly where the waterline is and I can continue drilling with a semi-easy mind. I'll skim through the footage quite fast, but the port side basically received exactly the same treatment. And for now, I've temporarily sealed the hole in the hull on the other side with a thick layer of filler. As promised, here's a sped up version of the events on the port side. I bought a new needle gun because unfortunately the other one broke down once again. This one is less powerful and slightly lighter, but I would like to repair the old one again, just in case, though it's not worth ordering the parts anymore. I'll still make an open call though if anyone has a needle gun from the Nito Kohi brand, model EJC32A, that is willing to part with it. Maybe I can turn 2 machines into one good one. Just let me know if you have anything laying around on your shelf. Some little parts was in such a bad shape that it made no sense to try to patch them up anymore, so I decided to remove them with the angle grinder instead. And then the dust festival could begin once more on this side of the boat. Right, now that this one is all fully prepped, let's give it a rust treatment, right? I keep my nozzle and my brush in a little bit of water because, as you know, the acid eats at the nozzle and you can throw away that sprayer in like a week or so, even days, and it will be gone. I keep my diluted solution in this one so that I can rinse the reel pump after every use. Let me show you. Respirator, eye protection, and gloves that withstand chemical products, they're mandatory here. Now the process goes in the opposite direction. I carefully release all the build-up pressure while I rinse out my brush. And once all the pressure is out of the reservoir, I can remove the spray nozzle and transfer the liquid into the other bottle. Then I take some water and rinse out the reservoir and sprayer thoroughly, letting it spray water for about 10 seconds or so. The nozzle of the sprayer goes into the water and the bottle is emptied until the next use. I sincerely hope you see me paint in the next episode, but we'll have to wait until then. All the best. Take care.